Oh, Nelly now. Oh, Nelly now. We did it. I mean, I don't even gotta say what we did because, well, the title of the video was gonna give it away, but also you could just see it. It's right down there. You go down there and look. It says Mark Roden. And then I think right next to it, or right under it, is it right next to it or under it? I can't remember. Somewhere around that area, it'll say 100K subscribers. You want to know what that is short for? You may be thinking, oh, well, that's obviously 100 milligrams of kerosene subscribers. No, I was thinking that at first too, but it means 100,000. 100,000, not 100 kites, not 100 carrots with a K, not 100 Korn the band songs. No, 100,000 subscribers, because for some reason on this great planet that we call Earth, a guy who just likes cars and gets a lot of things incorrectly, and a lot of people like to comment and tell me how incorrect I am, a guy that does that with a GoPro and an iPhone managed to muster up 100,000 people who wanted to watch his videos again. That is mind-blowing. Obviously, it doesn't even have to be said, but thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you from the bottom of my family's heart. I tell them about you guys all the time. I talk about my subscribers. You guys are my prized possession. You guys, like, the fact that this is my golden ticket, like YouTube, like the fact that I got 100,000 subscribers, that's the cool thing, man. That's what I tell people when people like are asking about me, like, oh, what do you do? I'm like, oh, you know, I do YouTube. Oh yeah, what's your YouTube? Oh, it's just my name, Mark Roden. And then they look it up and they're like, whoa, you have 100,000 subscribers? Well, now they're gonna say that because I just reached it. And I'm like, that's right. That's right. You guys make me so proud of myself, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you. For obviously, at this point, I've been doing YouTube for a living now for like a year and a half, and so I thanked you guys for that a long time ago. But I want to thank you guys for that again too. I mean, that's an achievement in and of itself, that I can do this as a job, like all day, every day. I don't have to wake up and go to a work, which is honestly bad for me though, because I gotta get moving, man. Sometimes I'm lazy AF some days. I just sit there all day and don't do anything except for make a video, and then that's it. I gotta start working out or something. If you guys need a gym partner, hit me up, because I gotta start doing something. But it's back on track. Again, thank you for that too. Thank you for the fact that I could do it for a living. Thank you for the fact that it's at 100,000 subscribers. I'm gonna get one of those little plaques. You know what I'm talking about? Those little plaques that they give people on YouTube that say like, oh, congratulations, Mark Roden, on hitting 100,000. That's like the first medal I've ever gotten. Besides like participation trophies, I didn't get no medals. I'm gonna put that on the fridge. People are gonna walk to the fridge to see that every time. But all jokes aside, I know this little intro has been a little bit goofy. And so, all jokes aside, I really do appreciate it, you guys. It is insane. If you had told me back when I was in like high school and I was talking to my friends, because obviously when you're in high school and you're talking to your friends, everybody's like, oh, I'm gonna be rich, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna become famous on this or something. If you had told me back when I was in high school, like, you are, Mark, like, out of all these people that are saying that they will become a YouTuber, or they will become famous for this or famous for that, you are gonna do it. You're gonna get 100,000 subscribers. I would have slapped you across the face. I would have slapped you across the face and then picked your nose for you. I would have done so many heinous crimes to you, because I wouldn't have believed you. And somehow it was true. It happened. It's literally mind blowing. I want to say something real quick. If you are a kid, I say kid, but I'm not even that old myself. I'm 23 years old. But if you are a younger guy and you're in high school, and you're thinking to yourself like, I want to do YouTube, I want to start YouTube, but I'm scared. Or even if you're not younger, even if you're like my age and you want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't know what to do, like where to start, dude, just do it. Go look at, I still have my first ever video that I ever made on my channel. It's still there, so you can go on my channel, click sort by date uploaded earliest or whatever, and you can watch the first video. Look at how stupid I sounded in that video. I sound like an idiot. I was like literally talking to the camera like this. It's a cool car. They can look good. You can have fun with them. Because I was nervous, just like you. But I started it, and look where it got me. All it took was consistency. Yeah, it took 3 years. It took 3 years to get to where I am. But it's not going to happen overnight. Unless you're really good at it. You know, I'm not really. I'm going to be honest. I'm not really good at YouTube. Like, I just talk to a camera and make videos for fun about cars. That's literally all I do. And if I took it super seriously, yeah, you could do better, but you don't even have to do that. Just go on there and just have fun. if you go on there with the idea like, okay, I have to make this a living, I have to become popular off of it, I have to get rich, you're never going to make it, because it's just a stupid mindset to have. Just go, if you want to start a YouTube channel because you genuinely want to start a YouTube channel and just talk to people about whatever hobby it is that you, because that's part of the reason why I did this, by the way, because I love to talk. If you knew me in real life, you would probably hate me. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, you guys like me on the internet because you only have to listen to me for 10 minutes, but if you had to talk to me in real life about cars, we'd be talking for actual hours on end. Like, it would not stop. Whenever my friends are like done hanging out, I'm just like, God dang it, because now I got to go home and not talk to anybody about cars. Like, that's who I am. I like to talk, so that's really why I started. And yeah, it was scary, it was terrifying, but just do it, man. You never know. Just give it a shot. Don't get too caught up with the numbers either. If you get caught up with the money and the views and your subscribers and all that stuff, it's just not gonna work out. It's just a bad mindset to have either way. Like, you guys know I make a living off of this, but I'm not rich. You know, I honestly probably make less a year than you got. Well, it depends on how old you are, obviously, but if you're like just an average dude making an average living, I probably make less a year than you. Like, I'm not rich off of it or anything like that. It's just, but that's not what I really wanted. I didn't really care if I blew up and got loaded off of it. It was just awesome. When I first saw like 10,000 subscribers, when I was really like, wow, this can be crazy, man. So again, thank you. I wanted this video to be short and sweet, because it's just a thank you video, but it's already at 6.5 minutes, so I'm just gonna kind of wrap it up here. For those wondering what's gonna happen with the channel, well, for this week, I have been working for the past couple of weeks towards making some big videos for you guys. You guys obviously know of the top 100 cars for under 10K. That is gonna come out hopefully tomorrow, I think. And then the day after that is going to be another top 100, and then the day after that I think is going to be a top 50. It all kind of depends on if I can get them out in time, and if I can't, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. But for the future of the channel in general, I mean, again, man, it's I just talk about cars. I really don't like have a planned future for this channel. Probably just gonna keep doing what I'm doing, man. Top 10s, the deep dives. I want to get. I want to really batten down the hatches on the deep dives. I want to start making more of those at least once a week, because you guys seem to love those, and I don't like making them at the time because they take a long time and a lot of work to make, but when I'm done with them and I get to see the finished result, I get so happy. Those make me so happy to make and have on the internet. Like the top 10 videos, I'm happy that they help you guys, and I'm happy. I like seeing the comments of people being like, you're the GOAT for helping out the youngsters. I appreciate that, and that makes me happy. But actually making the video, like, it's not like I put it on the internet and I'm like proud that it's out there, you know, because it's just a video of me talking about 10 cars. But when I make the deep dives videos, it is. So I want to really get more in depth with those. Good, bad, and uglies once a week. How to build a blank once a week. I'm also trying to buy a house right now, which is obviously a big step, and a new car. So there's a lot of big steps going on in my actual life aside from YouTube, and so there might be some days where I miss videos here and there. For the past couple weeks now, I've been missing like a couple of videos here and there. That's not because of like life problems. That's because, again, I was trying to get these big videos lined up for this week, because I knew it was coming, so I was getting those lined up in advance. So that's why I was missing those days. But yeah, there's lots of going on in my real life, so I might miss some videos. But in the future, I just really want to, again, I really just want to batten down the hatches and get used to what I'm making right now instead of trying anything new right now. Okay, I just want to get, because again, the deep dives work, you guys like those. Top 10s work, you guys like those. The good, bad, and uglies work, you guys like those. And so I want to really focus on making those better, starting to be consistent, and starting to give you guys a consistent Mark Roden upload schedule where it's like every single day I upload a video. That's what I really want to focus on right now. And then in the future, obviously, we'll start branching out, trying new things. Maybe we'll give that. Remember when I tried reviewing cars? I really want to do that again, so maybe we'll give that a shot in the future. Obviously, car builds. If I buy a new car, those will come. But yeah, besides that, that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. This isn't like really like a big video on like future plans for the channel, because again, it's not like I really don't have future plans for the channel, because right now I'm really just focused on trying to get what I'm currently doing on the channel perfected, if that makes any sense. I know you can't like make anything perfect technically, but you guys get what I'm saying. Like, I'm trying to get these better. The ones that I'm doing now, I want to get them better. So that's what I'm really focusing on doing right now. As for the future, who knows? I mean, this channel, I've never been super serious about my channel. I've always just been kind of like, I just wing it, see what happens, and it's worked out this time. So we'll probably just continue to do that in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching for all these years, man. 3 years, 100,000 100,000 people decided I want to watch this guy again, give or take like 10 or 20 because of my friends and family that just subscribed to help me out, but still 100,000 people that are actually out there randomly in there. I have messages from people in like South Africa, dude, that are like, thank you, I watch your videos all the time. And it's like, thank you, man. It makes me happy going around telling people, like, the second I hit 100,000 subscribers, screenshotted it, sent it to my group chat of friends, went to my second group chat of friends. I have 2 group chats. I have one for my like high school friends who don't care about cars at all, and then I have my car guy group chat, which are my friends who do care about cars. Sent it to that group chat, told them all my family members. It's literally like my proud moment. You guys watching me, it makes me happier than like you guys think like, oh well, this guy does it for money and to see other people be happy, or to, no, I do it because it makes me happy. You guys make me happy, man. It's awesome. So I could go on and on thanking you. I'm gonna stop wasting your time though. We've already been talking for 11 minutes. Holy moly! It's just supposed to. I literally wanted this video to be like 3 minutes long, and just, but this is what I mean. I ramble, man. This is, you would hate me in real life. I just sit here and just blah, 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 blah. My dad always is like, dude, this guy has diarrhea of the mouth, because that's all I do. I'm just always talking to people. I'm always chatting people's ears off. So I'm sorry for wasting a ton of your time. Thank you guys again. It's mind-blowing, man. Thank you. That's Latanya, and have a nice night.